All right, so I want to show you guys how to separate text that has been bunched up into one single cell in a Google Sheet. So if you've exported something in and it's just possibly, I don't know, all the data from wherever you're exporting or copying and pasting, it just ends up in one cell. This is an example. So this text right here, all of these are all in one single field, when they should actually be in their own cell across this row. And to separate these, it's really cool. You would select the cell, you would go to data, and you would go into split text to columns. And then it says detect automatically, and it's not actually detecting it, the separator. So I'm going to open this up. I'm going to go to custom, and you can see that it's a /. I'm going to type in the /. And you'll see that separates all of that information into cells, okay? So I'm going to put something here in cell D. Let's put house, because I don't think I have house over here. Oh, I do have house. Let's put dark, just a random word. So if I do this now, and there is text in the way, it does overwrite that text. So just keep that in mind. If you have, this is however many pieces of data, it's going to overwrite anything that's in its way when it's separating out that data. I'm gonna give you some more examples actually over here. So I have this data set, and you can see that all of the information again is inside of one cell. So I'm gonna go to data, split text to columns. This time it did automatically detect, because this one is separated by something more common, the comma. So I'll just click out of that, and I'll do the next tab, split text, detected automatically. I'm going to see if I can do multiple at the same time, and it works. So that is how you're going to take data compiled into one cell and spread it across all the cells. So I hope this helps, guys. If it does, if you could, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much. See you next time. Bye.